So hi there, we are into the last session of this YouTube tutorial. So what I did was I just recorded a voiceover. This is voiceover, very simple voiceover, just telling that if you like my channel, please subscribe and click the bell notification icon. So nothing other than that. So I just put up one scene over here. In that scene, I just from the prop I just typed laptop and just dragged it here. And this what you see here is my YouTube channel. I just took a screenshot. You can just use this take the screenshot using the sniping tool in Windows Explorer. Then I just inserted one image called as subscribe and the bell notification. Another thing would be I just went into here and type for bell here. So I just dragged the service bell into this region. And another thing what I did here is I went here and kind of just added a right just pressed add track. Okay, and what you can see here is nothing but from the music I just took some random music and just dragged it here. The one important thing which you need to understand is go here, the volume of the music should be like kind of 18% or 11%, otherwise the voiceover you recorded you will never be able to hear it properly. So this is the last session or the end session of this YouTube tutorial. So now the video is almost like 2 minutes and 27 seconds. So I hope so you really enjoyed how to just create a YouTube video. So what we do here is just save as usual, and we will just do a preview for the entire video right now. So just sit down, take a cup of coffee and enjoy the preview of what all you have created, friends. So let's get inside. 3 golden quotes that completely change the way I look at life. Quotes are sayings from great persons that give a meaning to life. Listening to some quotes motivate us to move forward even when we are sad and depressed. In this video, you will see my 3 best quotes that push me ahead when I want to move forward in my life. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. By Albert Einstein. This will be true as most of us depend upon people and expect more from others, and thus when other people do not meet our demands, we get desperate and depressed. Other people would love material desires and they are never satisfied with anything they get. Their desire for more always brings so much unhappiness. Keep a goal related to your meaning in life, build a goal that relates to your purpose, and all will be well. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noise of other people's opinions draw out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. They somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. By Steve Jobs. Most of us are depressed in our thinking what other people are thinking about us. We seek for acceptance and acknowledgement from others, and when it is not received, we are on the path to depression and sadness. We are simply addicted to acceptance from others. Acceptance from our family, our colleagues and our teachers, and even the world. Now social media is all about likes and comments. Number of likes and number of followers determine our happiness. Now more than self-love, it is the love from others that keeps our heart ticking. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be a sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or fail. Be the best whatever you are. By Martin Luther King Jr. It's okay if you are an ordinary person. You need not be famous or be a celebrity. It is okay to be normal and make a difference. Being ordinary today is the most difficult thing. Just be you and make a difference in this world. Just be ordinary. That's it. In this video, and if you really like my video, just feel free to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. See you next week, friends. Bye bye and take care. So really hope so that you kind of enjoyed the tutorial, and it's not over yet. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye, take care.